Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow washing machine.
Let's start drawing.
At the beginning, I draw a simple washing machine. I draw a bottle of liquid detergent next to it. And a basket full of dirty clothes, too. Yippee! It's so cute! A t-shirt with a flower on it. A skirt. How beautiful! And some jeans. Bravo!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color the washing machine, I'm going to use all the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, light purple, purple, and pink, fuchsia, mint, brown. Then I use orange and pink, light blue, red, orange, yellow, and green, blue, purple, and pink. Pink again. Fuchsia, light purple, dark blue. Great!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.